Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Gordon County in northwestern Georgia, western Polk County in northwestern Georgia, southern Chattooga County in northwestern Georgia, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Barron to near Slackland, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rome, Somerville, Cave Spring, Plainville, Cheyenne, Lyerly, Kitson, Edna, Lindale, Ackham Hill, Tidings, Barmucky, Coosa, Barrington, Chattoogaville, James H. Floyd State Park, and Holland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.